Let's face it, with 2023 entering its second half, it's no surprise that more and more businesses are using artificial intelligence wisely to capture your audience's attention and making tons of money with each sunrise. And this trend will continue to prosper in the coming years. Even the world's best companies like Microsoft, Tesla, Facebook, Google, etc. are investing huge money into using artificial intelligence to grow their business. So, if you're tired of making zero money on the internet and want to end your financial struggles once and for all, stop and pay close attention to what I'm about to say. Hi, I'm Ali G, and along with my team of skilled developers and marketers, I've created 125 plus value-based products for my 50,000 plus customers over the last 7 years in this industry. With time, I've learned that in order to succeed in the digital marketing arena, you need to find a way that works over and over again. And without any doubt, using artificial intelligence is something that all marketers, no matter big or small, need to use smartly in order to grow their businesses. So stay tuned for the next 7 minutes to this video, as in this short video, you're going to discover a brand new 100% newbie-friendly technology that creates 100 plus passive income streams using the huge power of artificial intelligence for any offer and niche. Presenting AI NinjaKit, first to market technology that creates 100 plus passive income streams using the huge power of artificial intelligence for any offer and niche with zero prior skills or experience. AI NinjaKit removes all the guesswork and ensures that every single piece of content you create is successful and profitable right away. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Step number 1, log in. Step number 2, create using 120 plus AI tools. Step number 3, publish and profit. Here's just a few of the countless benefits that AI NinjaKit does for you. Create descriptions for Amazon products that rank on the first page of the search results. Write engaging product titles that will make your product stand out in a sea of competition. Build notification messages for your apps, websites, and mobile devices that keep users coming back for more. Create enticing article or blog introductions that capture the attention of your audience. Rephrase your content in a different voice and style to appeal to different readers. Create professional-looking emails with enticing subject lines that help you engage leads and customers. Write catchy and convincing headlines to make your Facebook ads stand out from the rest. Creating ads with unique and appealing titles that entice people to click on your ad and make purchases. Professional and eye-catching ad descriptions that will make your product shine. Build attention-grabbing, click-inducing, and high-converting ad headlines for LinkedIn. Rewrite your existing content to include more keywords and boost your search engine rankings. Engaging and persuasive stories that will capture your readers' attention and interest. Generate cool, creative, and catchy names for your startup in seconds. Write short, simple, and informative points for the subheadings of your article. Extend short sentences into more descriptive and interesting ones. Change the tone of your writing to match your audience and copy. Generate tweets using AI that are relevant and on trend. Catchy and persuasive YouTube descriptions that help your videos rank higher. Video outlines that are a breeze to create and uber engaging. Catchy titles that will attract more views and increase the number of shares. And tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. Now you too can be making money with artificial intelligence and living a stress-free life like you always wanted. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, AI NinjaKit is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We are confident that this much value has never been offered at such a lower price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So, it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. AI NinjaKit will soon be sold for a monthly and yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So, you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get AI NinjaKit for the lowest price.
G here. I'm just going to show you AI NinjaKit in action, show you how easy this is to use. So right here, when you log in, this is the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a bunch of tabs up at the top. And there's a quick links to get to where you want to go to quickly. So let me just show you. It's a one-click generator is exactly what it sounds like. In one click, you can generate done for you AI solutions for many different niches and avenues that you're trying to explore. On the projects tab over here, this is where you end up saving what you're working on. So if you ever want to save something and you don't want to just as a one-time use type of thing, this is where you want to go to start. And you would start here by adding a project, and the project list would show you past projects. As an example here, just quickly showing you drafts and images. All your drafts, all your texts, and all your scripts, and all your actual content that you created will be in your all draft section. Images you create will be here as well in this area. This is depending on your subscription status, how many upgrades you got with the software, which are completely optional, of course. These would either show up or they wouldn't show up. So the one's a prompt generator, one's called the max endless version. The other one is your chatbots, and then you also have your one-time offers for upgrades that are related to AI NinjaKit and work hand in hand with that. You also have the background remover over here. You also have a very useful agency user license. You got the bonuses, training, direct support, help and FAQ section. And you can change the entire platform in the language you'd like it to be. Obviously, it's in English right now because this is the language I speak. So it's in English. And so this is basically the dashboard. So let's just get into it. Let me just show you the one-click generator, which is the most commonly used part of the software because it makes it so easy. Now look at this. You got what you're trying to do over here. Ultimate headline generator. Resume generator. A lot of people are looking for jobs out there and they don't know how to actually create the perfect resume. Boom. Copywriter. Sales copy. You got social media aspects of this app, ebooks and flipbooks, freelancing, sales copy, video scripts. I'm going to load more freelancing, video scripts, sales page frameworks. A lot of people don't know where to begin when it comes to a sales page. They don't know where to, how the sales page is best formulated. So now it's all done for you within AI NinjaKit. Keep going down. Let's just see more sales page frameworks, all different types. Keep going down. Social media, copywriting. Keep going down. We've got more copywriting, video, social media. We go down even further, more social media, and we got SEO, pay-per-click, PPC. We've got more. We got freelancing, video scripts, reviews. It goes on and on. General writing, articles and blogs, general writing, other. There's a testimonial review section. Like the software basically can cover every gamut of marketing online effectively, or even for offline businesses. However you want to use it, it's entirely up to you. Websites, general writing. You got more and more e-commerce. E-commerce is so hot. Everybody's making, a lot of people out there are making a killing with e-commerce. Ads and marketing tools, social media. And it just keeps going on. So I can just keep going on and on, but I'm not going to go on forever about this. And let's just see, let's create something here. Let's see. I'm going to go, here we go. This is good. Okay, create a witty post about your topic. Let's go here. I'm going to click one button, generate. And, Real estate is always hot, so I'm just going to type in home improvement because that's always big money. A lot of people are in that space. And over here, language I want is English, the language I speak. Quality type, I would like it to be excellent. Maximum words, why 200? Why limited to 200? Let's make it 300. And tone of voice. So this is automatically set to professional, as you know you'd like it to be. However, you've got approachable, assertive, bold, candid, caring, comprehensive, educational, encouraging, friendly. You got all these different options. Humorous, informative, inspirational, negative, and it goes on and on. Scientific, technical, thoughtful, vibrant, witty, zealous. So I'm just going to leave it at professional because I'd rather it be a professional voice, a professional tone. And I press one button, do the magic. Here we go. And once I press that, in a couple seconds, this is going to come up with something that would probably take a person hours, if not days, to come up with. Here we go. So it comes up with, right off the bat, nine topics you can post. All right, so let's just read the first few of them. Want to nail your next home improvement project? Take a hammering approach and screw any doubts in your way. It's pretty clever, actually. It's not bad. Don't get bored. I like that. It's a pun. With your home improvement plans, let us woodwork our magic and elevate your space to new heights. That's also pretty clever. Thinking of renovating your kitchen? Let's spice things up and add some cabinetry flair to make it the hottest room in your home. Not bad. And one more. Don't let your home improvement ideas sink. We'll help you faucet into your creativity and give your bathroom a truly refreshing transformation. Yeah, those are honestly, all of them were really clever. And for people to come up with something like that, it's not necessarily the easiest task. Yet AI NinjaKit makes this so easy, right? What did I do? I just typed in home improvement. I left basically the same. I typed in 300 over here instead of 200. That was it. I pressed one button. That was it. Let's show you another example. So I'm going to go back up. Let's see. Because sales pages are, very important. Okay, so attention, interest, desire, action. Sales page frameworks. Yeah, let's go here. Framework to structure persuasive sales pages that grab attention, spark interest, create desire, and ultimately lead to action, which is the most important thing. Press one button, generate. And once I type that in over here, my target audience is going to be anyone who wants to make money. Right? Pretty simple. Anyone wants to make money. My tone of voice is so professional. English, quality type excellent, maximum 300. I had it saved over here for AI NinjaKit, which is the key points of AI NinjaKit. So I'm going to just I'm going to copy that and paste that over here. That's my product and service. So I'm going to paste that